Okay, everybody, so welcome back. I'm going to take advantage of the fact that my pug is now asleep and snoring in the background, so we can't interrupt another video. If you're just joining us, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and the Tiny Product Lab, and I'm going to share a series of framer designs, templates that are ideal for those of you selling digital services in 2026. This is actually our trippytherapy.com platform, which is built on Ghost, but this is a sort of authority site that we're using to actually approach mental health professionals, therapists, mindfulness teachers, etc. in 2026. So here is an example of a really beautiful framer template that's actually free. So it gives you a wide assortment of potential avenues to explore from a monetization standpoint. You could actually teach folks how to use something like this. If you're targeting therapists like we are, you can actually design and deliver a done for you conventional website, which is what most of you, I would imagine, are interested in doing. You can make commissions with Framer, recommending teaching, and then referring folks to buy or to sign up for Framer to use a template like this. It's the same sort of kind of out of the box thinking that you can approach, whether you're just starting and you want to actually get new clients and you're happy just making some commissions, or just designing full sites, or some comfortable intermediate position between those 2 points, and many other ideas as well. You can create courses and private communities, marketing communities, where you're promoting designs and teaching people how to do the things that we're doing here, right? It's exactly what I'm doing here. So this is just a great looking template. It's easy to edit. You can see there are 4 CMS collections. I'm a framer dummy, so I'm certainly not somebody who's going to be teaching either folks who are watching this or people in our target markets or our client communities the intricacies of working with something like Framer. But you can see how great this looks and how easy it is to edit just by dint of the CMS and making edits to the text, etc. There's some kind of unique features this particular template has that I really like, and I think it's really perfect for small therapy practices, mental health practices, etc. I think it looks great, and for that reason, it's something that I would be really happy, to kind of recommend or to offer as an example, recommend as an example to a potential client in our Trippy Therapy, sort of outreach campaign, or to design or edit this template for them and deliver a full website. And I think so too can you. What I love most about Framer for folks like myself, people who are not designers, is you can literally just go and pick a niche, right? And then you can simply target that niche with a template that's kind of done for you, right? So, I mean, the designer has actually created this great looking site for you to actually deliver to an end client. You can teach folks how to use them. I mean, there's so many great ideas in here in a framer sort of container for building a brand and a business. Even if you are, a design dummy like myself, you can see how many templates here that I've either bought or have experimented with as free remixes and everything in between, components, etc. I've recently bought, I'll show you something that's very cool that I did a quick video on. It's this one here. It's a flipbook component, and I'll actually make that into a separate recording, but there's so many, I can create these little tiny books using a template like that, and then teach stuff like this in, by dint of a book that folks are kind of flipping through. Let me see if I can show you, because I'm sort of talking about it but not showing you. So this is the template, and as some of you know, we have a Tiny Book About, which is our tiny book publishing platform. I have a Substack devoted to that, and that's really my first interest and passion. So something like this allows us to deliver, tiny books to clients that are educational, in addition to videos and audios like this. And it's a great way of using Framer, again, to do something I would never be able to do on my own. Anyway, we'll cover some more of this in the next video. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. But for posterity purposes, this is our Trippy Therapy community. If you want to visit that, it's not built on Framer. Obviously, it's a membership site built on Ghost. You can see, it's a much different sort of site, but we're using this to market, services and sell digital products to mental health professionals this year. Thanks so much. I appreciate you watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask.